another installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Blac King Sebastian, player, and this is my lovely and devilish co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Let's get straight into the She's Hot contest, sponsored by Playboy International. Here. Let's lay it on me soft, Dr. Ross, because I heard that the winner for this week is pow.
You are exactly right, Blac King Sebastian. Today we have a multi-millionaire, an artist, a music mogul, Iggy Azalea. And let me correct myself, Iggy Azalea, congratulations for the She's Hot winner.
That's right. Iggy Azalea is a multi-millionaire, a model, a writer, as well as a soon-to-be probably a producer and an actor in Dr. Ross and I's new film.
Exactly, called Devilish.
That's right. But Miss Iggy Azalea, congratulations.
Congratulations.
We will be shipping out the She's Hot trophy to your premises.
We love it.
Congratulations, Miss Iggy Azalea.
That's right, biblical.
What did you just say?
Let's get into our first hot topic of the scandalous, vicious Bible. So for our first hot topic, we have Blac Chyna says that her biggest flex out of all the riches out of her life is being able to raise her kids without Rob Kardashian's
First of all,
child support.
So that was a lie.
Dr. Ross, I'm going to stop you right there. You already know that's a lie because
Exactly.
you already know if she didn't want the child support, why'd she take Rob to court? She should have just been living off of the food stamps that she already had going for her.
And the OnlyFans and the stripper money. You should have just stick with that. Why did you, and not only that, Blac King Sebastian, why did you go get the hottest lawyer in all of LA, the one who took down everyone, Harvey Weinstein, everyone? Why did you hire them?
That's because she's looking for the money, the cheddar,
Exactly.
Dr. Ross.
Let's get into our next hot topic. So Joe Giudice shared a video of himself tearing up, just crying, because he's wishing his daughter, his youngest daughter, a happy birthday. She's turning 11, and he said, "I miss you so much."
You already know
Pretty
why
much.
Joe's crying. He's crying because he hopes that she doesn't take the scandal from Miss Teresa Giudice.
Exactly.
Because he's seen that Gia has already turned scandalous and maxed it to 100, so he's hoping that that doesn't happen.
I think the reason that he's really crying is, one, he most likely definitely misses his kid, but second of all, he's crying because he wants to go back over there and the sense out of Teresa Giudice.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Let's move into our final hot topic for today.
For our final hot topic, we have Denise Richards is once again ending Real Housewives of Beverly Hills with Lisa Rinna. What are your thoughts about this Blac King Sebastian?
Thumbs down.
Exactly.
Because as you know, Dr. Ross, Denise Richards and our winner for the She's Hot contest, Playboy International, Miss Lisa Rinna.
We love you, Lisa.
That's right, Dr. Ross. You already know that that's a lie. Because
Exactly.
why are they going to go onto reality television and talk to one guy, the Andy Cohen, about all their problems?
Yeah.
This is unscripted TV. This is not a reality. Because
Exactly.
for all the restaurant, Dr. Ross and I are very worldly, and we've been around the world. In every restaurant we've went to, we have never seen someone just jump up and start grabbing, starting to pull someone's hair, throwing wine in their face. And obviously, the Kardashians had left the industry because they knew that everyone was onto them, saying that, how is this real? They're doing all this, but they're still coming back and talking to someone about it every single day.
Hey, Ron.
Hey, Billy.
Exactly. Basically, you're completely right, Blac King Sebastian. Like Blac King Sebastian was saying, when was the last time you guys walked into a restaurant? You don't have to eat as much as Blac King Sebastian. I go to restaurants every single day. Go to any restaurant. If you see someone get into a fight, the cops will arrest them.
Surprise, motherfucker.
And
They will.
And most likely, if you see that, you're probably in the hood.
This is a certified hood.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow.
Exactly.
And with the Kardashians, that's for you. Playboy International.
This is a certified classic.
And Denise Richards, this goes for you too.
Exactly. We're not being as hard on Miss Lisa Rinna because, you know, it's
That's
still
right.
reality TV, and you guys got to step your game up. In all of the reality shows, you have to do something different because it's starting to be repetitive. Every person is fighting. Every person on each reality show has the same topic.
This is like a soap opera, but without the paperwork.
Exactly.
These were all of our hot topics, and we'll catch you guys on the next installment.
But we
Stay-
just want to mention, before we close it off, Black King Sebastian, that as always, we have the Jamaican products, Jamaican hair products. See the Rasta hair? See all the Rasta? Black King Sebastian's hairstylist did his hair today and mine. If you guys want this, just know the Jamaican hair products will do the magic for you.
That's right. And remember, everyone, we're selling all of our clothing right here on the Jamaican clothing website.
Exactly.
Make sure to DM us if you want to get a pair of some of the Jamaican leather sandals or some of the Jamaican clothing. We'll catch you guys on the next installment. We out. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. And congratulations, Miss Iggy Azalea.
Exactly. Congratulations for the bow.